Hello students. So in this question, we are going to talk about and answer the two characters of pea plants that is used by Mendel other than the height of the plant and the color of the seed. So here, if we talk about these characters, first of all, we need to remember that Mendel basically used the 7 characters of the pea plant. Mendel used the 7 characters of the pea plant, and here the two characters are already given to us, and rest of the two characters are, we can say, the flower color. The first character that we can say here will be the flower color, and the color of the flowers will be the violet and the white. These are the colors of the flower of, we can say, pea plant. And the second character that we can say here will be the pod color. Now the pod color is also very specific, and the colors are green and yellow. Pod is basically the part where the beans are present, or we can say where the pea is present, and that is what we call the pod. So these are the two characters, flower color and the pod color. Thank you.